Hi guys, welcome to the food segment of Adomako Studio. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious Shito. My name is Araba Akwameza. Stay tuned. So we will first start by washing our hand. So with my Shito, I have some garlic, ginger, some onions, powdered fish with pepper, powdered pepper, tomato paste, some powdered shrimp, 2 seasoning cubes, and oil. So we will chop our onions, garlic, ginger, and blend. So I pour my blended ingredients into my preheated oil. So now I add my tomato paste to my semi-cooked blended ingredients. I add my powdered fish with pepper. I add my shrimp. Then finally I add my powdered pepper. Finally, we add our cubes. So, our delicious Shito is ready. And today, I'm serving it with rice. It can also be served with yam, potatoes, banku, or any other meal you prefer it with. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. See ya! Hello everyone, welcome to the food segment of Adomako Studios. Today,
Turn.
bong bong bong.